If you've assembled any furniture recently, you may have noticed they usually come with a hex key wrench, also called an Allen wrench, for tightening the fasteners. The problem is, it's a very slow way to tighten any kind of fastener. First of all, the wrench, this L-shaped wrench, always seems to be in a way, especially in a tight space. But even if you have plenty of room, it's still a very slow way. So I thought I'd introduce a little power by using a drill. Start by taking the wrench and putting it in a vise and use a hacksaw to cut off the short leg of the wrench. And then if you can't cut it, it's hardened steel, so if you can't use a hacksaw, you can use a grinder, but you can cut it off. And what you end up with is this, a short, straight section of wrench that we're going to chuck right into a drill. Now turn the torque setting on the drill down as low as it can go so that it'll slip when it gets to a certain power, because you don't want to damage the piece or the fastener. Then it's simply a matter of putting the part in place, in this case a table leg, tighten it up with a drill. Hear that slip? That's what you want to hear. And within a couple of seconds, it's done. Without that, it might take 3 or 4 minutes to do every single leg. Here, within a few minutes, you get the whole table put together and ready to move on to the next project.